Yo, Stover here in our next video, and we are going to be talking about the nucleus. Hopefully you can hear me and see me now, but we're talking about the nucleus, okay? It's going to be another quick video, and if you just kind of look down here right off the bat, you're going to see something. Hopefully you already noticed where the nucleus is. In each of these, or where it is not. Okay, so let's jump in, because the nucleus is the informational storage center of the cell. I would say it's the most important part of a cell. So the nucleus, pictured up here, is a basic cartoon clip art drawing of the nucleus, but you see it in three parts. You see the plasma membrane around the nucleus in purple. You see the internal area, substance of the nucleus, and then you see this little circle, which we'll talk about in a little while. And you see these X's. Now, if you've been in 8th grade science at all, you probably already know what these X's are. They're chromosomes, specifically when they're in X form, but chromosomes and chromatin. Basically, it is genetic information, so very important. So let's just jump into kind of the information on the slide. So the structure of the nucleus is that it contains all of the genetic material, the DNA, or the genetic material of the cells, which is yours and plant cells and mine, and then like we'll talk about this one over here. But it contains the genetic material, the DNA. It's surrounded by a nuclear envelope, which I called a membrane, or a membrane-bound organelle. But this one is called a nucleus, which means center, nuclear in the middle, and it is very important and close. And so it's surrounded by a nuclear envelope or a membrane. With pores that controls what gets in and what gets out. Very important of what gets in and out of a storage center for who you are and who the plant is. So the job of the nucleus is to protect the DNA that controls all of the activities of the cell. And so as you're looking down here, you see that an animal cell, which is a eukaryotic cell, contains a nucleus. It has a nucleus on the inside. Also, you see that the plant cell has a nucleus with all of the genetic material inside, and it's protecting the DNA. Now, if you look over here at this prokaryotic cell, it doesn't have a nucleus. I'm going to go back here just to say that this is still the genetic material. It's just not bound up in an organelle called the nucleus. So it does not have a nucleus. The prokaryotic cells, which are the more basic of cells, they do not have a nucleus or a nuclei. Okay, so that is the nucleus, and I hope that helps. Next video, we're going to be talking about the nucleolus.